In the beginning, a lot of developers think that your more tenured developers are faster because they know more. And yes, they do know more. But the truth is that they tend to have a better developer experience because of a skill set that they possess that you may not be familiar with. And if you learn this early on, it's going to help you with your developer journey and be a lot more efficient, confident, and better in the developing process. In the beginning, most developers tend to focus on frameworks, tools, and tutorials. What really separates your more tenured developers versus someone with not a lot of experience is that tenured developer is going to focus on what exactly matters right now. They're going to ignore everything else except the most important steps in order to get this project to the finish line. Beginners tend to do the opposite. They try to solve the entire application in their head before they've even written a single line of code. The skill that I'm referring to is problem prioritization, not problem solving, but prioritization. A more tenured developer brain is going to work like this. What's the real task? What is the real noise or the issue? What's the simplest version that proves this idea works? And what can I come back to later on and clean up? This is why more tenured developers tend to ship more and beginners get stuck. Not because you're slow or a beginner doesn't know what to do, but because their mental workload is too heavy for where they are in the development process. If you're building a full stack application, for example, someone with less experience tend to think, hey, I need authentication, I need a database design, routing, UI, payments, deployment, security, etc. Someone with more experience is going to say, hey, how do I get the data on screen first? That's it. We're only concerned with the first step in the process. Everything else is going to come after that. So here's my challenge to you. The next time you build something, ask yourself, what's the one step that actually matters right now? And if you do that, you'll find yourself progressing much faster than you thought and realized, and projects will start to get much easier and easier and easier. So if you found this video helpful, look, feel free to give me a like and consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.